Hello guys, it's Sorin here, and on behalf of myself and my very good friend Alex Costan and the creator of this product, I want to welcome you to this short demonstration of Pitchmaker. Now, Pitchmaker is a very cool and efficient app that will help you to create sales scripts that are very high converting in a matter of minutes. Now, let me show you a little bit how this works. This is the dashboard. As you can see here, it's very user friendly. We have a lot of cool features for you guys in place, and let's say that we want to start a new project to create a new sales scripts from scratch, a high converting one, right? What we want to do is go ahead in the new project section here. We click on this option and we wait for a couple of minutes for the app to load, and this is it. This is the canvas for the actual sales script editor, right? Now you will see here, first things first, that we have 12 steps or 11 steps through which we can go. Basically, we have different frameworks on which we can work. And let me show you first of all how you choose your framework, because we have different variations of frameworks. It depends on the version of Pitchmaker that you have. If you go for the Pro version, you will have more of them. If you go for the normal version, you will have the VSL, right? So as you can see here, we have different frameworks like the 12-step video sales letter, bullet points framework. Basically, if you go for the Pro version, you have access to all of them. If you go for the normal version, you have access to a few of them, including the 12 steps video sales letter. Now, each of the frameworks obviously contain the exact steps that you need to create for that type of script, okay? So let's say that we want to go for the video sales letter. We select the 12 steps video sales letter, and you can see that we have 12 steps here. Now we go through each of the steps, and after we go through each of the steps, our sales script will be ready. Our pitch will be ready, right? Also, we can give obviously a name to our document. Here we will be able to edit everything. But let's go first of all to see what exactly these steps are doing for us, right? So let's select step number 1. When you select step number 1, basically it walks you through the psychology of what your pitch or what your sales copy or script should contain, right? Through the exact psychology. Okay, so begin with a question. It says exactly why you should begin with a question, and then it gives you some options. Let me just click again, right? So then it gives you some options here, okay? For example, have you always wanted to, and you put the desire in, but it seemed impossible. For example, have you always wanted to have financial freedom, but it seemed impossible? I'm here to tell you it's not, okay? So you go through these questions, and you can see that we have different templates for you guys here. Let's say that we select this one. We just click on the plus button, okay? And you will see that it has been added, right? It has been added here in the actual canvas, right? Now let's say that we want to add a new slide to the canvas. Okay, for step number, we have then step number 2 here. Now what we want to do, and you will see why this is important a little bit later. Okay, let's say that we want to create a video sales letter. A video sales letter is based on slides, so we'll have different slides for each of our, let's say, phrases. Now what we want to do is include a slide break. You will see that you have this small blue button here. This is a slide break, and you just want to include a slide break, okay? So you can see that now we have a slide break here, okay? And this is important because basically when we will export the sales script, maybe we want to export it as a video sales letter, it will export it in different slides directly prepared for PowerPoint, okay? So the only thing that we will have to do after that is to record it, okay? It's as simple as that. Now let's go for step number 2. We click on step number 2. Agitate the problem, right? We select a problem every night. I like this one because it starts with every night. Let's select this one, okay? So here we go, right? It inserted in the new slide, okay, the template for this step. Now, after we are done with everything, okay, we just give the document a name. I won't go through all these steps here because we have 12 of them, but you got the idea. This is, let's say, test 7, okay, or test 9. And then we can just save the project, and it will save it for us so we can access it later. And then we can export the sales page if you want. So we have this option, right? And we just click on the option on the export sales page. and you can see that we have two options here to export it as a PDF, right? That means if you want to use it for a webinar, for example, a lot of people are using PDFs for webinars, you can just export it as a PDF, right? You just click on this button and here you go, okay? It exports it as a PDF. As you can see here, we have a slide, then we have the second slide, okay, and so on. If we export it as a PPT template, we can even choose the theme, okay? You can see here that we have different themes, and let's say that one simple white gradient. We select this theme. We can upload the logo if we have our own logo, okay, and then we press export, and you will see that it has created a PowerPoint template for us. Okay, let me just go through it. Just open it for you guys. Okay, just a second. So here we go. Okay, here we go. This is our new template. Obviously, you might need, depending on the PowerPoint version that you have, okay, to let's say just adjust the font, but usually you will have absolutely no issues with that, okay? So it will export it to you directly as you want it, okay? So this is a very, very cool feature because it basically exports to you the video sales letter in the PowerPoint format as most people are using it, so that you can, the only thing that you need to do is to record it, okay? So this is it. This is how you create it. It's very, very simple. You can see that obviously you can bold some stuff, okay, that it's inside the script. You have all the options here for editing it. You can select different frameworks. If you click on the frameworks, okay, you can add new frameworks if you want to. You can import new themes for PowerPoint if you have new themes, okay. And the best part is that you can also select the projects that you already have. You can see that I have here my projects and edit them. You can add new copy, okay, and basically create a new project. So you can do a lot of things. And a very, very cool feature that we have added, so you guys can absolutely have the full package for this. We have added basically like a Rolodex with the best voiceover artist and the cheapest one that we have used in the past for our projects, and that you can use to record your video sales letter or promotional videos, okay? So basically these are people that you can find on Fiverr. They are very, very good. You have samples here with them, and they actually are very cheap for what they are offering, okay? So this is pretty cool. Just go through them. You also can see they are organized on different accents, like American female, okay, or UK male voiceover or anything like that, right? So you can select them from here. It's like our best Rolodex. So basically you have the full package. You have everything organized as it should be. Now let me go back to the dashboard. So this is how Pitchmaker works, guys. As you can see, it's a very, very useful and powerful app. This is definitely something that you want to get your hands on if you want to be able to create sales scripts in a matter of minutes. Thank you very much for watching, and we are looking forward to see you on the inside in this.